If you want an EA that gives consistent profit just like these, and doesn't use risky method like martingale, has stop loss and on top has reasonable drawdown, then watch till the very end. Hey there, fellow traders. Welcome back to our channel Profitable Forex EAs, where we talk about Forex EAs that does what it says. Today, we're going to delve into the advanced features of a powerful EA called GoldenScalp EA which doesn't use martingale. Let's look at the features of GoldenScalp EA. The expert advisor trades on gold, on any time frame. The initial account balance is just $50. And like mentioned earlier, it doesn't use martingale, so you don't need to worry about it blowing up your account. Although you have the option to use grid if you want. Let's look at its 3 presets. The first preset is GS Default SL001 for 100, which is same as default settings. Each position has several closing logics, including a hidden stop loss, which is calculated individually for each position, based on the volatility of the last hours. The second preset is GS Grid Classic 001 for 200, which does not have SL, and if the price goes in the opposite direction, then averaging positions are opened, which is the grid. The third preset is GS Grid with SL10 PR001 for 100, which controls the positions in the grid mode. However, there is a limit on the total floating loss of 10%. That is, in one day you can lose a maximum of 10% of the balance. Let's look at its real signal. This EA turned an initial deposit of just $99.93 into total net profit of $144.91 by trading for 35 weeks. The maximum drawdown is 32.3%, which may seem a little big, but it is due to the small capital. On average, it takes 7 trades per week and its average holding period is 3 hours. Let's look at the statistics. Out of 493 trades it took, 381 were profitable, giving it an accuracy of 77.28%. Its average profit is 96 cents and its average loss is $1.96. And its monthly profit is 10.45%. Let's run a back test and see how it does. The back test starts from July 5th of 2022 and ends on July 5th of 2023. The initial deposit is $100 and I am running it on the first preset, which is the default setting. The trading pair is Gold USD and the time frame is 15-minute. This EA was able to make a total net profit of $339.58 from a $100 initial deposit, with a maximum drawdown of just 16.95%. And the profit factor was 2.30. The average profitable trade was $2.82, while the largest profitable trade was $19.89. Likewise, the average losing trade was $3.79, while the largest losing trade was $43.01. Now let's see how it performed after running it on a raw spread account on a VPS for 10 days. Note that I am running the GoldenScalp EA on 2 charts with 2 different presets. The first one doesn't use grid, while the second one uses grid. As you can see, this EA took 10 trades, all of which were profitable. The initial deposit was $200 and it made net profit of $7.92. Note that you can use this EA on a $50 account as well. This is an EA that doesn't trade much, since it takes only high-quality entries.